Harbin, the capital city of Heilongjiang Province in northeastern China, is a captivating destination that beckons travelers with its unique blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. Known as the Ice City, Harbin's reputation as a winter wonderland precedes it, thanks to its world-famous Harbin International Ice and Snow Festival. This annual extravaganza, held from December to February, transforms the city into a sparkling ice sculpture wonderland, featuring colossal ice castles, intricate ice lanterns, and stunning ice sculptures, all illuminated in a dazzling display of colors. Harbin's history is rich and diverse, evident in its architectural heritage. The city's Russian and European influences are apparent in its stunning buildings, particularly in the historic quarter known as Stayeli, where you can stroll through streets lined with elegant Russian-style architecture. Don't miss St. Sophia Cathedral, an iconic red brick masterpiece that serves as a symbol of the city's cultural diversity. The city's culinary scene is equally enticing. Harbin boasts a unique food culture influenced by both Chinese and Russian cuisines. Be sure to savor hearty local dishes like Russian borscht, smoked sausages, and the famed guabao roe, a crispy sweet and sour pork dish. Pair your meals with a sip of Harbin's renowned beer, one of China's oldest brands. For nature enthusiasts, a visit to Harbin offers numerous opportunities to explore the region's pristine landscapes. The Jingpa Lake Scenic Area, about 280 kilometers northeast of the city, is a picturesque spot known for its clear waters and volcanic landscapes. In winter, visitors can enjoy ice fishing on the frozen lake, adding yet another dimension to Harbin's winter charm. Harbin Sun Island, on the other hand, is a lush retreat during the summer months, offering a respite from the city's heat. With beautifully landscaped gardens, it's a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll or a relaxing picnic. To delve deeper into Harbin's history, a visit to the Heilongjiang Provincial Museum is a must. This museum showcases the region's archaeological finds, ethnographic collections, and cultural artifacts, allowing you to gain a comprehensive understanding of Harbin's past. No trip to Harbin would be complete without experiencing the city's winter activities. Beyond the Ice and Snow Festival, visitors can enjoy ice skating on the frozen Songhua River, take exhilarating rides down ice slides, and even participate in traditional winter sports like dog sledding and ice hockey. Harbin's unique blend of cultural diversity, historical charm, and natural beauty makes it a year-round destination for travelers seeking both adventure and cultural enrichment. Whether you're captivated by its ice sculptures, fascinated by its architectural heritage, or simply drawn to its culinary delights, Harbin promises a memorable and enchanting experience that will leave you longing to return.